Hello, this is Kat from WTI. Take a look at my beautiful Samsung Galaxy S10 phone. The back is the prism white, which I'm trying to show it in here, but it changes color, kind of like a mother of pearl or pearl white. It's so beautiful. The screen is 6.4 inches. Here it is compared to a nail polish bottle on my face. It's a good size. And the screen it rounds a little bit on the side, so you get full coverage of whatever you're viewing on the screen. So here you can see it goes all the way around. And the camera quality on this is fantastic. I've used this on vacations, and this is the phone that my group will always go to use for pictures because the effects that it can do and the quality is just the best of all of our other phones. So those are just some of the things that I love about the Samsung Galaxy S10 phone. And that's my point of view.